Making tissue paper pom-poms takes less than 5 minutes. Let's take a look.
I've got 8 sheets of tissue. This comes in the pack like this, so I actually think maybe 10 would be better, but let's go with the 8 and we'll show you how to do it. So basically concertina, right, so then this is where you have to push down to make those creases very sharp, as sharp as you can. Okay, and then you get your string.
Not actually pulling it that tight. No. I thought you had to really squish it, but you're not actually, are you?
So now with the ends you can either cut a curve or you can cut them zigzags. I can't think of the correct term, but you'll see when it's opened up it's quite nice with the curve, so that's what I'm going to.
Carefully open up the fans of the concertina and then we're ready to fluff our pom-pom.
Then you just pull out one side like this.
Oh, I see. I thought there was extra cutting, but there's not, is there? Oh, and you keep sort of switching the sides,
yeah.
Do you?
And to be honest, don't worry about how messy it is when you're doing it, because you can, when you've finished it, you can pimp it and primp it, and then turn it over and do the other side. So basically you go round like that all the way.
And you're kind of doing like one sheet at a time. Yeah, that's great. Okay. Oh, we can see the little lovely pom-pom in the background. Goodness, this is going to be a big one, isn't it?
Yeah.
So I guess when we started this off, you could have cut the sheet in half,
yep.
All of them, and that could have made 2 sort of dinkier ones. Obviously the big ones are really nice, especially if you're in the garden or at a wedding where you need to fill the space, don't you?
Well, I have a feeling this one might be a good pumpkin.
Wonderful.
So that's it roughly, but you can then obviously
tidy them.
Tidy it up to make it look a bit more round. I'll just split it up to show you.
There we go. Wonderful. That looks really good. And then maybe if you hold the other one, the little one next to it, we can see them both together.
Yeah.
Good.
This one we made earlier and took a bit more time.
Excellent. Lovely. Thank you. Well, we'll see you again next time for some more crafts from Ali at Kids Chaos and Maggie at Red Ted Art. Bye bye.
Bye.